Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how challenging it is to study law. Law school is known for its rigorous academic demands, requiring a substantial commitment of time and intellectual energy. You'll need to develop sharp analytical abilities and excellent reading comprehension to navigate the complex material. Be prepared to dedicate many hours each week to your studies, including extensive readings and assignments, often exceeding 20 hours outside of class. The academic rigor in law school is intense, often employing the Socratic method to challenge your thinking. You'll spend considerable time preparing case briefs and conducting legal research, which are fundamental to understanding the law. Exams are typically essay-based, presenting complex hypothetical scenarios that require you to apply legal principles. Effective time management, often involving 40 to 60 hours of work per week, is absolutely crucial to keep up with the demanding coursework. Studying law isn't just about memorizing rules. It's about learning to think like a lawyer. This involves developing exceptional critical analysis and logical reasoning skills, allowing you to dissect complex legal issues. You'll also refine your written and oral communication, which are essential for presenting arguments clearly and persuasively. Through countless exercises and discussions, your problem-solving abilities will be sharpened, preparing you for real-world legal challenges. While challenging, studying law offers immense rewards. A law degree opens doors to diverse career opportunities, from practicing in a firm to working in government or business. The profession provides constant intellectual stimulation, keeping your mind engaged with new challenges. You'll also have the potential to make a significant professional impact, advocating for justice or shaping policy. For many, the financial rewards can be substantial, often exceeding $100,000 annually for entry-level positions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.